Hi everyone, my name is Mary Russell Martin and I'm a pre-service teacher from Cavite State University, Pensa campus. For today's video, we're going to review a traditional learning material that I created along with its use and availability inside the classroom. This is a flower chart to teach long and short vowels. I made this teaching material using folders, old boxes, a marker, and some tape. As we can see, this learning material is being used in English, especially if we're teaching about language or speech. This instructional material consists of its box for safekeeping and the flower chart itself. So how are we going to use this material in teaching English? We have here 5 flowers consisting of vowels. We have A, E, I, O, and U. In each flower chart, we can see here the vowel and some examples of different vowel sounds. For example, for letter A, this is the front, which has the long vowel sound, and the flip side, which has the short vowel sound. So how do we use this instructional material? We can let our students pick a flower chart and read the words in front of the class. Let's have the letter A as example. As we can see, we have here different A sounds or different long A sounds, like A for hay, acorn, we have brave, we have snake, and we have rain. On the flip side, we have here the short A, which consists of fan, class, tab, cat, and crabs. If we're going to take a look at the letter E, it also has the 5 examples with different long E sounds like these, equal, thief, leaf, and bee. If we're gonna flip it on the other side, we can see here the short E sounds like red, fed, led, tell, and smell. This is actually a very useful instructional material because it can help your students enhance their phonemic and phonic awareness to enhance their reading and speaking skills. As a bonus, I have here another learning material that I created way back during our teaching and assessment of macro skills. This learning material is to enhance a student's listening capability, and this is what I call a verse box. So here it's gold. It's very attractive, so students' attention can easily be captured. So how do we use this voice box? We have here the poem of the day. So this has a pocket with the title of a poem or a poem. Then a teacher can choose the specific poem that they will be studying about. Then she can write the title in a piece of paper just like this. Then she can insert it inside the pocket. Inside of this box, we have here the verses of the poem. We have here verse 1. We have here verse 2. And then we have here verse 3. So this works as a drawing box where students can pick their verse and then they can read this out loud in front of the class. Or you can also group the students into 3 groups, and all together they can read the verse or the stanza that they randomly pick from this verse box. This was actually created with an old box as well and some gold foils. The paper that we can insert inside is made out of a sticky note. So these are my 2 learning materials. This one, you can use this for literature, and this one you can use this for speech or for language lesson. These learning materials are accessible and easily available inside the classroom because it's just made out of boxes, and to put more color we used gold foil and some folders. These instructional materials are important in language learning because it can give your students an authentic learning experience, and it will also help them in developing their writing, speaking, listening, and reading skills. So that's it for today's video. I hope my fellow pre-service teachers learned a lot in crafting these traditional yet relevant instructional materials related to language and to English subject. Hope to see you again soon. Bye!